Hello dear friends of the folded sheet, I'm Tevin from Tevin's Origami Instructions, and today we'll look at this nice package I got, which is called Gamenote. First of all, we need to open this here. So this will be an unboxing and a review. If you're not interested in this, I understand. So first of all, we have a nice little letter in here that explains the contents. There's practice paper, origami paper printed in a certain way to make the models look nice, and we also have an origami instruction booklet with several designs in it. So here's that booklet. As you can see, all the basic stuff. This one for some reason is in Spanish and German. I'm assuming because I am German, from Germany. They did contact me in English though, so I'm assuming when they had it shipped that they shipped the German version because it was sent to Germany, as I said before. Yeah, so it is actually quite nice. This is the Origami Frog, which is my favorite model of all time and the first model I did, and that's the one I'm gonna do as a trial run first. So let's see, this is all the trial paper here, white backside as is the tradition. The paper feels a little sticky but sturdy. Let's see, so this is the trial paper here. Let's put that to the side. Oh, an ice cone paper, interesting. So let's see whether we can find the frog paper somewhere in here. It's very colorful designs and all are printed on two sides, and they have a number saying on what page the instruction is and what model the paper is for. Yeah, pretty nice, but I'm having a hard time finding it, so I'm gonna do a quick cut. No, that's not it either, and look for it. Okay, so here we are. This is the frog paper. I found it, and up here we have the instructions. So this is not gonna be a tutorial. I'm gonna speed through this. A tutorial for this exact model is in the description box and also as an annotation right now. So I'm gonna speed up the whole thing now after I've cut this apart, which you should do with scissors as per the instructions, but the paper is very crisp, so that works. What's a little annoying is that the next, a little more complicated step, which I will get to real quickly, it's not explained too well, that how you collapse to a water bomb base. I guess it's fine because you can watch videos like my own or look it up somewhere else, but this is aimed at children and their parents, so this step here is not very well explained in my opinion. But then again, I'm not a beginner anymore. Maybe I'm overestimating how difficult it is. The paper looks amazing though, and I must say the frog itself turned out really pretty and nice, and the paper, even though it's stiffer and thicker than I'm used to with origami paper, the model worked just fine. And the jumping, well, that's on me, that it doesn't jump as well. I'm kind of disappointed that they didn't point out that this model jumps, but apart from that, pretty cool altogether. And I'm gonna try another one to see whether the instructions are any good, because I already know this model. So this is called Tropical Fish number 2, and as we can see with the number, it is on page number 29 also. Okay, so again, this is not a tutorial, this is just me talking about the product. The paper is pretty nice. What I'm missing a little bit here, for example, is some kind of reference point where the tip should go. There's like no markings anywhere, and also now the next crease, I think and that is why I'm creasing here, it would be rather difficult to do this precisely for a beginner. So I would wish there would be some kind of lines helping with the orientation of those folds here. And now I'm trying to rip it apart. Didn't do too good job, so that's on me now. But apart from that, the model is very straightforward. I can see that working for late kindergartners, elementary school, and early second school kids with their parents as an activity to do together. I am repeating myself here. The result is really nice, bright colored. It's great for kids. It looks super adorable, even when you do a sloppy job of the folding, as I here did a little bit on purpose. So yeah, squeaky paper. I don't care. It is really cute. So let's go to the final verdict. So, what do I think about the product? So, Gamenote advertising itself as suitable for children aged 4 to 12, and parents are advised to accompany with children, the children. So, the English is a little off. The combination between English packaging and German tutorials, I don't quite get. This has been sent to me for free, so I'm assuming since it was shipping to Germany that they got me the German version. But even without the instructions in German or another language that you use with origami videos, much like myself videos, I think you could do it. There's the best model of all times, in my humble opinion. It was the origami frog, which I did when I was around 10, I think, in elementary school. So it is suitable for children, elementary school, a little later than elementary school, and kindergartners, but with supervision of parents. The colors are really nice and they do pop. They're pretty vibrant. The paper does feel like a leaflet, like advertising, because it is soaked full of color. It's a little thicker. It's not very forgiving with the creases. If you do a crease wrong, you will have a white edge. So that could be a little better, but I think it is reasonably priced. There's a lot of paper in there and kids will like it. Since I have not been paid, besides the fact that I've got this for free, which is, I guess, a nice value, I will not link to their shop or something. I will just tell you they're called Gamenote. If you're interested in that, you can get your hands on a packaging online or wherever you buy crafting things. I hope this video was enjoyable. See you next time. Stay healthy. Bye bye.